Well, here it is here. I've decided to paint it all nice and black over the grey spray putty and dress it up in nice silver tape. Yeah, put a few little dots of it on the side there. At this end here, I've got the headphone socket and the potentiometer and the potentiometer dial plate, or volume control dial plate. Got to cut that short yet, the shaft, and put a knob on it. The actual switch and the battery tray are going to go on the lid on the top, along with the LED power indicators for each LED. The circuit is nice and neatly stored inside. This thing fits real cozy. Right, you can see how it's all done. There. Done with foil, and I left the bottom grey. Okay, here's the other end here. So this thing, circuit box, I designed and customised myself to fit the circuit inside there. Right, on the top lid, the battery tray will go for the amplifier and the 3-stage VLF ULF receiver. There's the battery trays there. That's going to be secured to the top lid when I make it. I'm going to do a handle yet so you can carry the thing, so it'll be look like this one here, right? And this is the coil here. This is a synchronous oven, the synchronous motor coil. This is from a microwave oven. This is the motor that actually turns the plate in the microwave oven. The coil out of these little motors in there are lower resistance than the microwave oven fan motor coil is. And this is ideal. This will work perfectly with a core through the centre of it, which will go on, down the other end on the top there yet, along with the core, right? Now, I just like to warn you, if you're pulling a core out of a microwave oven synchronous motor, be careful when you rotate the shaft if you happen to do that, because these motors actually generate a hell of a charge and they give you a hell of a shock too. So they're not just a motor, for synchronous motor, it's also a generator too in its own rights. Okay. Thank you for watching me latest video, me updates here.